to the Spike Prime series for First LEGO League. In this series, we're building step by step from the basics all the way to competition-ready robotics. In the last video, we talked about loops and how they let us repeat actions without copying blocks. If you did not watch the last video, please go back and watch it so you can understand what I'm saying. Today, we're making our programs more flexible and easier to control with the help of variables. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Last time, we built programs something like this. Repeat 3 times. Play a beep, and then we want to close the claw, and then we want to drive backward. And then we want to open the claw. But there's still a pretty big limitation, and that's all the variables, all the values are still fixed. The distance, the motor power, the turn angles, the speed. If we want to change how the robot behaves, we still have to dig into the code and edit numbers everywhere. And in FLL, that gets painful fast. And here is where variables come in. So a variable is just a named box that stores a value. So we can set this to anything we want. So in this case, the variable is named distance, and I can set it to 20. That's it. Now, a lot of people think that variables are about reducing repetition, but that's actually loops. Loops handle repetition. Variables handle control. Instead of hard coding numbers everywhere like, 80% speed, 20 centimeters, and 90 degrees, you can store them in one place with a name. And right now, this is a pretty small piece of code. So we don't need variables because we can just go in here and edit it. But in bigger FLL missions, even if you use repeat blocks, you still have to change each value in your code. So the difference is loops repeat actions. Variables control the values used by actions. So let's say I have a go straight 20 centimeters block. And instead of using the 20 centimeters in that block, I use the distance variable. Boom. Now, I could just have this change to 30, and one change controls the entire behavior. In FLL, you are constantly tuning your robot. You adjust distance, speed, turn accuracy, alignment. If those values are scattered everywhere, tuning becomes slow and frustrating. But variables give you a central control system. Let's get into the full mission demo.